Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Welcome back to Cast Iron Wednesday. Since this month is sausage is the challenge this month, and I wasn't going to do it originally, but then I saw Shovelhead 8 make biscuits and gravy, and I was like, oh, now I got to make it. So I'm going to make biscuits first. I'm actually going to show you how I make my yogurt biscuits, and then we'll proceed. Let's get to it. Alright, I'm going to actually walk you through the biscuit making process. I love these biscuits, by the way. I'm sure I've mentioned it a few times. So it's actually this is about a quarter of the recipe that I found. It was like a 2-cup recipe. I've got it down to about just over half a cup. So it's a half cup flour, half teaspoon of baking powder, quarter teaspoon baking soda, and then I kind of do a heaping half teaspoon of salt, and then give it a quick stir, turning on my oven. This actually comes with butter, so about 2 tablespoons of butter, give or take. And I've got my dough cutter here. I can actually put this dough together so quick that I'm usually ready to go in the oven before the oven's even fully hot yet. Put all this aside. I'm gonna make biscuits with breakfast. So I'll just turn the oven on, get it going, and then just immediately start getting everything together. I'll just get the butter out. And then yogurt, which I don't even bother measuring anymore. It would normally be about a quarter cup, but I just stopped measuring it. I just kind of eyeball it. Then I start stirring. So I know I'm going to need more, about another spoonful. Mixing in my favorite holiday bowl. I think I got some fudge or cookies one year, about, I don't know, 15 years ago or so. I've had this like one bowl for a long time. So just keep stirring it until you get a nice soft dough. Just like that. Put the lid on. Okay. Then I'll do a floured work surface. And you're going to get flour in both your hands. Just turn the flour out. Now, I don't really work my dough that much. I just kind of, I don't use rolling pin, I just flatten it out with my hands. And if the biscuits aren't perfectly uniformed, I don't really care, because I'm gonna pour sausage gravy all over them anyway, so it's like, Guess I'm gonna get. I guess I'm gonna get 5 out of this. Usually I get only 4, but let me get, well, I guess 4.5. So there we go. 5 quick biscuits.
Right, so the oven is preheated. 350 for 20 minutes.
Alright, so I got a skillet with some bacon. I'm gonna do 2 eggs, and I'm gonna do some hash browns in here. I'm gonna make the gravy in this pan. My skillet, my Lodge skillet. I was asked what kind of skillet this was. I should have showed you the bottom before I turned the stove on, and put oil in there. But it's yeah, it's a Lodge skillet. I got it at an outdoorsman show. Well, several years ago now. Getting a sausage in. It may seem a bit odd, but I actually like to season my sausage. A little slap your mama, a little garlic. Just because I'm weird like that. Silicone tipped tongs. It's just the way to go with bacon. I like to flip it fairly often for even cooking. And I don't usually bake it if I'm only doing 4 slices. Sausage is looking good. Scoot it back. And then add about a tablespoon of butter for my fat element. Get that all melty. We'll make the roux right in the pan with the sausage, and then about a tablespoon of flour. Let that mix up with the fat. Stir in the milk. Just waiting for this to thicken. The milk was cold, so oh shit, that was raw. Oops. Oh, come here. Must have flipped out of the pan. And that raw sausage mixed in there. I was gonna say, don't forget to season your gravy. Now normally gravy would be white, but I think because I added seasoning like Slap Your Mama, which has like paprika and stuff in it, I think that's what gave it that off color. But that's fine as long as it still tastes good. So I got my buttered pan, got my dulce huevos, or 2 eggs. Of course, I pepper everything. Yeah, let's get those biscuits pulled out. And they're looking fantastic. You see in a nice golden brown color. The tops don't you normally get too dark, but I can live with that. That gravy is sticking it up really nicely. First, we're going to do my eggs over easy because I just felt like doing them over easy. Normally for breakfast I do them over, I actually do them scrambled because I put cheese on them, but let's see. So, oh yeah. Gravy looks money. I haven't even tasted it yet. I should probably do that. See how it's coming out seasoning wise. Should be okay though, because I put that other stuff in there too. Go ahead and kill the egg burner. I think we are good to go. So, oh, wow, that was a total fail. There we go. Happens to the best of us. Already killed the burner for the gravy, so like I said, it's got that color to it because of, you know, Sloppy Mama is basically a Cajun seasoning, so I just like the way it tastes. So actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put a third biscuit on here because I'm gonna put the eggs right on top of that third biscuit. And just get some of that gravy off. Right on top of there. Oh yeah. There you go. Oh, I forgot the... Almost forgot the bacon. That's how she's looking. This is actually my dinner tonight. Okay. At least do a bite. Man, those biscuits are just so incredibly easy to make. Highly recommend them. Oh yeah. Oh. So good. It's got that little bit of a spice from the Sloppy Mama combined with the sausage and the phenomenal. So good. Anyway, I do want to thank you for watching. I'm not gonna make you I'm not gonna make you watch me. Wow. You know what? Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to check below for Cast Iron Wednesday playlist plus last week's video. Have a great rest of your week. We'll catch you in the next one.